Hello children. Okay, welcome back to SST class. Okay, so in our previous chapter we used to learn about the natural resources, types of resources, and also we learned about types of soil and how the soil formation is done and what are the process, what are the factors of soil formation. Today we are going to learn what is soil erosion. Okay, and what is soil erosion and what are the conservation of soil. So let us start. What is soil erosion? So what is erosion? Transportation of land particles from one place to another place. Did you understand this line? Transportation of land particles. That means when there is a transportation of soil. Land particles means what? Soil. Transportation of land particles from one place to another place. How it is happened? It is happened by natural forces like wind, rain, especially by wind and rain, that is called erosion. Okay. Then next, what is the effect of soil? इसमें क्या होता है? Soil erosion happen due to the transportation of land particles from one place to another place by natural force like wind and rain. You know, जैसे बारिश होता है, बहुत जोर से स्टर्म होता है, तो ऑटोमेटिकली सॉइल इरोज होता है, सॉइल अपने प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस में चले जाते हैं. Then what is the effect? उसमें इफेक्ट क्या होता है? What is the effect? The effect is decrease of agricultural products automatically. When soil erosion happen, automatically the production of agriculture is little bit of decrease. Then, so what is our responsibility? Our responsibility is we should prevent soil. You know, prevention is better than cure, as we are doing now. Why you are doing this prevention? Why you are staying at home? Because we know by staying at home we are safe. Because if we are going out, we will be affected with corona. So similarly, so prevention is better than cure, you know it very well. So soil erosion also should be prevented. And how it is prevented? Okay, so soil erosion also should be prevented. So let us learn about how the soil erosion. You can see it. I am showing some pictures. Can you guess what is this? Can you say me? I am saying. What is this? Control the grazing activity on the land. Land में there should not be any grazing activity. Plantation should be carried on counter method. I am showing here in the picture. The counter method of plantation should be done. Plants, trees and fallow land. जो land में कुछ होता ही नहीं है उसमें हम लोग क्या लगेंगे? We should plant trees. Construct check dams where there are streams. जहाँ पे stream से जहाँ पे river से we should have to make construct check dams. Cultivate deeply in the field to speed the flow of water. हमें फ्लो ऑफ वाटर का स्पीड चेक करने के लिए हमें जो प्लांट करने उसको बहुत डीपली कल्टीवेट करना है. सो दीज आर ऑल द पॉइंट्स व्हिच वी आर यूजिंग इन प्रिवेंशन of soil erosion. So if the question will be coming, this question will be coming for 2 marks, my dear children. What is the meaning of soil erosion? And write the measures to prevent the soil erosion. So you have to write what is the meaning of soil erosion first. Soil erosion क्या है? The erosion means transportation of land particles from one place to another place. कैसे होता है? With the force of natural force like moving air and rain. Is that clear? So you have to write this line. Then you have to write what is the effect? The decreases of agricultural product is the main effect of soil erosion. So what is our duty? So our responsibility and duty to prevent the soil erosion, because prevention is better than cure. We know it very well. So then you have to write all the points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points you have to write. I have given in my book review. Okay. Next, coming up the next one. Then conservation. What is conservation? Now measures to prevent soil erosion you understood. Now we will learn about what is soil conservation. Soil conservation क्या है? Soil conservation है, it means to prevent the soil erosion. हम soil erosion को कैसे prevent करेंगे? And to maintain the quality of the soil. हमें soil की quality को क्या करना है? Maintain करना है. Okay? That means उसका fertility हमें check करना, उसका fertility maintain करना है. So first क्या करना? Soil conservation means to prevent soil erosion and maintain its quality. So what are the remedies? उसके लिए हमें क्या करना चाहिए? The roots of the forest cover hold up the soil particles. जो root होता है forest का वो पूरा tightly soil particles को cover करेगा. Plant trees in the river gorges. Rivers की gorges में हमें क्या लगानी है? Plants, so that when flood will be arise, rivers water will not be going out. So river bank में हमें, river gorges में हमें क्या लगाना है? बहुत सारा plants लगाना है. A series of trees should be grown near desert region to prevent the wind with more velocity. आपको पता है जो the desert, in the desert region the wind velocity is very high, is very more. So to prevent, to control this wind, control the velocity of the wind, we have to plant more and more trees near the desert region. Floods should be controlled by diverting their flow towards the dry river. That means जिस river में पानी नहीं होता है, we have to divert the, which river? Divert the river which are having water for the 12 months, जिसमें पूरा 12 महीने पानी रहता है, उस पानी जिसमें ज्यादा पानी रहता है, we should divert this water towards the dry river. जो पानी, जो सूखा रिवर रहता है उसमें हम लोग पानी डाइवर्ट करेंगे. थ्रू दिस, कैसे? थ्रू द डैम्स. द अनरिस्ट्रिक्टेड प्लास्चरिंग loosens the soil layer on the mountain. It should be prevented. By terrace farming should be implemented. आपको पता है माउंटेन में क्या होता है, बहुत जल्दी soil erosion हो जाता है, soil, because it is slopy area. So we have to start there. Terrace farming should be implemented. Humus should be added to the soil to gain the fertility. First sentence मैंने बोला था maintain its quality. That means how to maintain the quality. We have to add humus should be maintained. Humus should be added. Humus should be added to the soil to gain the fertility, so that it will be good for our agriculture. And last, government, society and the people should work together. हम तीनों को एक साथ में काम करना है. जैसे today, what we are doing? Today we all three are working together. Government, our society, and we all the people. Why? Because we are all work together to fight with this corona. So same thing. Government, society and the people to work together for this conversation. So same thing we have to follow it, okay, for our conversation of the conservation of the soil and how to prevent soil erosion and maintain its quality. So my dear children, today I have completed my chapters natural resources, and this lesson is very very important lesson. I think it is very easy lesson. Many questions will be coming in your board exam. I am just separated all these questions marks wise. So I will be giving just now in the book review. Please go through all this chapter. I think you understood the lesson very well. Okay. Otherwise, let us start with the book review so that each and every doubt is clear. Okay. Let us start the book review. I am showing here the pictures. If you are having book, you can see how the methods are using in the prevention of conservation of the soil erosion. Is that clear? So these are the points. Okay, soil conservation I am giving. Surface run of water, कैसे flow water को slow करने के लिए हम करते हैं. Is that clear? So let us start the book review. The first question I told, what is meant by resources? Describe its use. It will be coming for 3 marks. You have to write resource क्या है. Okay. Then कैसे resource का मतलब क्या है? These 2 lines. Then what is the uses of resource? उसका uses क्या है? Resource as food, resource as raw material, and resource as energy. You have to write all the points with proper example. This will be coming for 3 marks. Now next question. Resource on the basis of ownership. It might be coming for 2 marks. All the 3 points you have to write. On the basis of ownership, individual resource, what are they? Natural resource, what are they? Global resource, what are they? Now resource on the basis of distributions. Again same universal resource में क्या क्या आता है? Generally available resource में क्या क्या आता है? Rare resource में क्या क्या आता है? Solitary resource में what are the things coming up? So these 2 questions will be coming for 2 marks. Next coming up, difference between renewable and non, very very important questions. Renewable and non-renewable resource, this will be also coming for 2 marks. Very easy my dear children. If you read it, if you listen to me very carefully, I think you should understand. Some resources which reproduce themselves as per their uses during a specific time. That means the resource which can be reused. I am saying it again and again. Reused. Like solar energy, wind energy, our animals, our birds. Okay. These are a natural. That is called what? Natural resource. That is renewable resource. Non-renewable resource which cannot be reused. Once they are used. अगर आप लोग पेट्रोल गाड़ी में डाल दे, उसको फिर से यूज कर सकते हैं क्या? नहीं कर सकते. एक बार जो कोल को जलाते हैं उसको फिर से यूज कर सकते हैं क्या? नहीं कर सकते. Weeds cannot be reused. They cannot be reproduced, or reproduce भी नहीं कर सकते. For example also you have to give. So this is coming for 2 marks. Next will be describe the process of soil formation and state on which basis these are classified. आपको पूरा लिखना है. पेरेंटल रॉक क्या है, ऑर्गेनिजम्स में क्या क्या पॉइंट्स है, क्लाइमेट में क्या क्या पॉइंट्स है, देन कैसे क्लासिफाइड ऑन द बेसिक ऑफ देयर कलर, क्लाइमेट, पेरेंटल रॉक, स्ट्रक्चर, ह्यूमस एक्सेट्रा. दिस आर आल्सो कमिंग फॉर might be 2 marks or 3 marks. 2 marks में भी आपको इतना ही लिखना है. might be coming for 2 marks. I have written it wrong 3 marks. It is also coming for 2 marks. Now next worksheet. I have given you short notes. You have to write by your own, my dear children, because all points I have given in my PPT. Okay, so you have to refer to the given PPT and write all the answers. For 3 marks I have also given the PPT. For 2 marks, 3 marks में हमारा क्वेश्चन आता है alluvial soil, very important, black soil, red soil. पहले आपको लिखना है कितना स्प्रेड किया है, कितना, how much percentage. Okay, yeah, remember. Then from which region start and which region ends, what are the states under this, and which are the crops, and which is more in alluvial soil, which is less in, like potash, phosphorus is more, which is less. So in this way you have to write all the points. In 3 marks you have to write near about 6 to 7 to 8 points. In 2 marks you have to write about 4 to 5 points. Is that clear? So refer to the given PPT and write all the answers. Now next is state the remedies to prevent soil erosion. Just now I just taught you today only, today's lesson, how to write remedies to prevent soil erosion. So write first what is the meaning of soil erosion, then measure to prevent soil erosion. Very easy questions. Sometimes it is coming for 3 marks here. So you will be getting very good marks if you write all the points. You will be getting 3 out of 3. Is that clear? Now last questions. What is meant by soil conservation and state the remedies of soil conservation. Today also I completed this. Conservation means to prevent soil erosion, maintain its quality. So remedies क्या है? The roots of the forest cover hold of the soil particles. First point. These points, all these points you have to write down in the same way. Is that clear? So I think my children understood very well. And in the next session, today I have completed my second chapter with all the book review. Hope my all children understood very well. And if any doubt, please go through this WhatsApp, what we have made the WhatsApp group. You can ask me any questions. Now next is some worksheet I have given you here. So these worksheet you have to do by your own. 10 I have given question answer. Please read the questions and write your answer. I think it is very easy for you, and have a quick review. Okay, in this you have to quick review because now your question pattern is changed. Multiple questions will be coming, MCQs will be coming, true or false will be coming, match the following will be coming. Next, write true or false. Understood, dear? You have to do it and just send me the pictures through WhatsApp, those who are in WhatsApp group. And more please join the WhatsApp group. We have already made, me and Samana madam had already made the group of 10th boys and 10th girls. So please join with WhatsApp group and send your answers by sending the pictures and send to me so that I can check your answer. After you send me, I will give the answer. Is that clear? So, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Stay at home and stay safe and healthy. Okay? Thank you. Thank you very much.